Hello and welcome to our educational dance series. This is Faith
and Richie.
And today we're gonna talk about a nightclub dance,
the merengue.
Alright guys, merengue. We really believe that this is one of the dances that every dancer should know. Everybody on this planet should be able to do this dance because it's literally so easy and fun music to dance into. So again, we are gonna have our ready position and ladies gonna have the right foot free and gentlemen the left. And we are gonna do first of all the basic merengue on place. 8 count basic, and this is how it's gonna look like. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to activate our imagination a little bit because literally what we try to do is if we had grapes underneath us, we try with the ball of our feet to push the floor and delay and slowly transfer our weight and create a small pendulum action with our hips. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if we do this together, that gives us, with our frame, 4 points of contact, so many possibilities. We will do a small freestyle for you to just see what you can create, but by keeping our basic step and always mirroring each other, we can do so many different things. Rotate, create some crazy actions, walk around, as long as we keep that basic step. And my man wants to keep on dancing. So literally, if you keep your basic action, it's so easy. This dance, a little bit of history, came from Dominican Republic, and it was literally with prisoners that they had chains on their feet and they literally were connected with each other. And if we go sideways, right, if we are connected prisoners right now, we need to drag the one foot and then close. Drag the one foot, then close. Drag the one foot, and it's very heavy feeling, right? So I really want to stay on the floor, very heavy, and I drag my one foot while I go. A very easy basic step that you can do together, guys, is not just staying on place, but going sideways, basic to the side. So from here, we again mirror each other, 2 prisoners dancing and having fun together. Nothing can stop us from having fun in life. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Drag the one foot, delay action, ta, 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 ta. And from there, we can do a lot of different things from that side basic. So if we put it on a frame, we can very easily, as ladies, do a turn, and the gentleman gives us the signal and the snap on the number 1. So if we do just the basic on frame, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I wanna add some turns, you see, he let it go. What a man I got. From here, that means I need to turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now a little turn variation that we have for you guys. Ladies can turn, but men can also show off. So we can do a turn for the lady. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can do 5, 6, 7, 8 by changing the arms behind the back. And if we want to get too crazy, we can do so many different turns from there. So the lady turns, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching our merengue, dancing like prisoners, having fun with life no matter what happens. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe. We try to prepare a lot of beautiful things for you because we believe the world would be a better place if you all danced.